Hold it out like that?
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth Bright and I'm the founder and herbalist of HERBAL TEAS Australia. When I first started to discuss a new website with Carl, I was sceptical because a lot of people I know had spent a lot of money on websites, were usually very unhappy with the result, and quite often they couldn't make changes, or if they did, it would cost them a lot of money. Also, I didn't understand the internet as much as what perhaps a lot of people do, and the website process, I was really reluctant to step into the unknown. However, I was prepared to make the investment if it gave me the results that I could measure, that I could be involved in the process and learn how it works, and if I could make updates if they were necessary as well. So the process started with a booklet that Carl sent to me, which meant that I literally had to do an autopsy of the business. It meant looking at the business differently, particularly from a customer's point of view. I was involved in all the aspects of the process as we built the website, and I learned how the process itself, when the internet was very important to make it all work. Now, the results has been a website that I'm very pleased how it looks. It works, and it's one that I can operate. With Carl, the process developed into a great business relationship that is based on trust and is very supportive. I call him when I have questions on anything any issues that I might have, or any questions particularly, and we continue to develop the website. My experience with Carl has been vastly different to that of many of friends and business associates who have employed someone to do their website, and unfortunately I hadn't come across anyone who was particularly happy with the results. Well, I call Carl my facilitator because he's the person who sourced the appropriate technical experts and then made it all happen. At the beginning I felt it very daunting because I didn't understand it. However, the internet side of the business has grown substantially, and we are now well placed on page 1 of Google.